Hello everyone, so here is this Brainly app. So it helps with your homework, either in school or college. So you can sign up for free with your email, Facebook or Apple ID. So it's free. And then you have like the questions you posted, and then you can just ask. So you can ask just by scanning. So it's similar, for example, to PhotoMass or MassWay apps where you just, for example, can scan equations and get an answer. Here it's a bit different, so you can just scan it. And then, for example, here you can just ask a question. And then here you will get like an answer. But the way this app works is different to like MassWay or PhotoMass. So it's basically a community, a forum where you just ask a question and all other people are trying to answer it. So in the answer tab, you can see current questions, like you can select subject like history, for example. And all the people are just asking their questions here and you can help them to solve it. So that's pretty cool. Or you can do all subjects and then you can select school level. So it includes school level, middle school, high school, college. So that's how it works. So you either scan a photo of the question or just type your question. If you couldn't find it, just ask a question and the community will help to answer it. There are different other like apps which help you with homework. There's another app, I forgot the name, but you just have solutions to the questions in the popular homework books. So there is that app, and then there are apps which help you with the math equations. But this is one of the most popular because you can ask questions which are hard to find answers to either on Google or like somewhere else, and the people, other students, will try to help you right away. So that's that, and then you just have profile, settings, questions, and yeah, so that's about that. Hope it was helpful.